was the end of another busy day when Thomas arrived back at Knapford Station. Sir Topham Hatt was waiting for him.
Ha! Thomas, I've just had some news. There's to be an inspection of Soldor's Railway tomorrow, and the inspection team will want to look at everything.
Oh, sir, if we're to be inspected, we'll need cleaning.
Indeed, my passengers have left all kinds of things behind. Again.
Mine too. Look.
Well then, we'd better take them to lost property. Let's see what we have here now. Very nice. Oh, goodness me. Somebody must be missing these. Hopefully, the Lost Property Office will be able to find out to whom they belong. Oh, and what's this? Oh, this looks like fun. Oh, right, Thomas. You'd better take Annie and Clarabelle to the washdown. I want you all cleaned and ready for tomorrow's inspection.
Yes, sir.
Oh!
The next morning, Sir Topham Hatt came to Tidmouth Sheds to check over his engines before the inspectors arrived.
Excellent! All of you look splendid, which I'm sure you know is very important.
But not as important as being reliable and on time, Sir Topham.
Of course, gentlemen. Now, where would you like to begin the inspection?
We'll start with your number 1 engine, I think.
Don't forget, Thomas, you have a lot of jobs today.
So it's more important than ever to be really useful.
Don't worry, Annie and Clarabelle. What could possibly go wrong? Oops! Sorry, everyone.